Hi, I'm Dave Gunkelman with the Salford Group. I'm Territory Manager in Ohio, Michigan, and Northeast Indiana, and I'm here today talking about the Salford HALO VRT. And what this tool is a high-speed disc with 5-inch spacings that hydraulically adjust from 2 degrees to 15 degrees on the move, on the go. So it gives you lots of capabilities from vertical tillage to more of a primary tillage like a high-speed disc look and everything in between. And what also we offer on that is the double heavy-duty baskets, and we have a rubber packer wheel option as well. And on those basket options is a hydraulic down pressure. It has constant pressure, and that helps balance the machine out to keep it level as you're going through the field. Compared to other types of high-speed discs out there that work more rigid, these have a built into the tilt cylinders is an accumulator system that helps you hold that steady pressure so you don't rock going through the field. This is a 22-inch blade machine on 5-inch spacing. Comes in 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40-foot units. There is a joystick control option if you don't have enough remotes, so you can run it with 3 remotes. If you do not have the joystick option, it could take up to 6 remotes if it has a hydraulic jack. Other than that, today you can find this at salfordgroup.com, and you can find a dealer in your local area for a demo.